Hey guys, today I'm going to be making Nihari with the Shan Nihari packet masala. So let's get started. So what we'll be using today is 1 cup of oil, but we won't be using all of it. 3 to 4 pounds of beef shanks. This is the best meat to use because it's got the bone and the bone marrow, which makes Nihari taste good. 1 cup of flour. And of course the Shan Nihari packet masala. So let's get started. So first we're going to take 2 cups of water and pour it into our flour and then let it dissolve. So first we'll be adding in our oil into our pot. And then we are going to add our meat. And now we will be adding in our Nihari masala. And now we're just going to let it fry for about a minute without mixing it. So I flipped them all over and I'm going to let the other side fry for about a minute. So now we're ready to add in the flour. And we'll also be adding half a jug of water. And then we're just going to wait for it to come to a boil. So now the Nihari has come to a boil, so we'll be adding enough water to almost fill the pot. After filling the pot with water, I'm going to wait for the pot to come to a boil. And once the pot has come to a boil, I will put the heat on low and cover it and let it cook for 10 hours. Make sure you keep checking in between to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom of the pot. You can add more water in between cooking if necessary. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.